and in this video I have given an idea of how SQL Server 2008 works with the web-based applications. As we know that in a web-based applications we require front-end tool and back-end tool. So with the use of a .NET we use Visual Studio 2008 as a front-end, right? In a previous video I have discussed about it. And for a backend we use SQL Server 2008. So this is what the basic screen, like you can see over here, Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. How to open this video, I just give you the idea. Just click on a start, all programs, MySQL Server, Microsoft SQL Server 2008, and from here you just select SQL Management Studio. After that this screen will be open. We can see that so many informations available over here. With the use of this tools, backend tool, we are interested to store our informations in a database table. So first of all we just create our database. Just right click on a database folder, click on a new database, specify your database name. Over here specify Harshida database, and then just click on a OK button. Wait for a few seconds, it will take a time. Okay, now you can see, just click on a plus. You can see that the Harshida underscore database, this is what my database is generated successfully. Now after that I am interested to create the table. After that I am interested to create a table into this database. So just again click on a plus sign, right? You can see so many folders are available, and from here I select the table folder, right? So just I am interested to create the table into my database. So I just right click on a table folder, select a new table. Okay. Now you just drag. Okay. Now specify your column name over here. I am interested to create this table just for the student informations, right? So I specify s underscore id, and it will be integer. Allow null or not, it will be depends on your choice and requirement. Now what I want in this column is that in this column the value is automatically generated. That means 1, 2, 3. The number is automatically generated. So from the column property, just click on identity specification and select instead of no, select yes. That means that your increment speed is 1 and started with the 1. That means when first record will be entered, 1 will be generated, then second, then third and fourth, and gradually it will be go. Now our second column name is sfname. In varchar, that will a kind of a data type up to 50. Allow not null, null depends on your choice. Lname, in varchar, allow null, s underscore address, and then in varchar or maybe a text, it will be the choice requirement. You just select your data type. Right now we just let's save this table first of all, right? So just specify your table name. This is what our master table, right? So master underscore table, because after in a few seconds we just make a relationship between the two table with the use of a primary key and foreign key concepts. So just click on a OK button. Okay, you can see that our table is saved, DBO master underscore table. Now let's just modify our column property again. S underscore id, in the beginning I have told you that s underscore id, the value will be automatically generated. Now I am interested to make this particular column as a primary key. So just right click on a column and set as a primary key. Save this table again. Now our next target is that to just checking purpose, we are interested to like what we can say that we are interested to enter the data by default. You can see so many properties are there. Select the top 100 row. Right now there is a no row, so there is nothing will happen. Then you can see over here edit a top 200 row, right? But right now there is no data. We have recently created this tables, but now by default we are interested to add the information. So you can see the first column. If I enter something, it will not allow me to enter. Reason is that we have set this as a auto increment. So we just shift to the next column, specify my first data, then last name, then my address, and then just press the tab key. You can see that the number 1 is automatically generated because we have specified the property auto increment. Now again I enter some another data like Sharma, Infoway, Ahmedabad, and then again press the tab button. You can see that the number is automatically generated. So this is how the table works. Now let's again just create a new table, because in this example I also give you the idea to make a relationship between two tables. So again create, right click on a table folder, new, and specify s_id, specify your data type, allow null or not, requirement s_add address to, and varchar. Now my next target is that I want to make a relationship between the detail table and a master table. So just click on s_id and relationship. Then after click on add button. From the general, after the general you can see table and column specification. Just click on this button. Select your primary key table and foreign key table. Our primary key table, you can see in a first table I have created. My first table name is a master table which contain my master primary key. So select a particular column, s_id is a primary key in my master table, right? And over here select your column name SID. So this is how we make a relationship between the two different tables, from the master table to the foreign key table. Just click on OK buttons and then save this table. Now this is what our detail_table, sorry, and then just click on OK button. Now it will show you that the following table will save to your database. Do you want to continue? Yes, definitely we are interested to make the relationship between the master table and a detail table. So just select yes. Now you can see the detail table and master table. Just click on a plus sign and select the key folder. You can see that in a master table pk_master, click on a column. We just expand our column folder. You can see that s_id is work as a primary key in my master table. Now I'm opening my detail table, expand the column folder. You can see over here in this table SID will be work as a foreign key. So this is how the database works, how to store the data by default from the backend, and also how to make a relationship between the two different tables in a database. So this is what the basic concepts. See you in the next video. Bye.